Hi everybody, I hope you are fine. Today again we are together with another video for 9th grade. This is Think A2 book, and what are we going to do today? In the last video you remember that we talked about the will, won't and this grammar. Yes, we talked about the prediction when we use it. Now I want to continue from page 106 of Think A2 book. We are going to talk about first conditional. Don't worry. In the other videos we will talk about the reading. I will explain the reading parts. We will read together. We will do the listening parts. But now in this video I want to finish the grammar part of this unit, unit 11. Then in the other videos next week we will check together the new vocabularies of readings and also listening parts. Now let's start with the grammar first conditional. What are conditional? Do you know how many conditional sentences we have? We have lots of kinds of conditionals. We have, for example, 0, first, second, third conditionals. But now in this grammar, we are going to talk about just first conditional sentences. What are they? When we are going to use them? Look at here. Maybe you can guess how we can use it. If you eat all your carrots, something will happen. In the first conditional sentences, in the first paragraph, we use if all the time. Look at here. In the rule part, maybe you will understand better. First part, we started with if clause, and here we have result clause. What is result clause? We start our sentences if you do something, I will do something for you. If you read your book, you will understand it better. If you read, for example, if you do your lessons, if you do your homeworks, if you work hard, you will pass the exam. So in the if clause, this is our clause, yes, if plus present simple. All the time in the first conditional, we just use present simple. Not past simple, not continuous, nothing, just present simple. You know that for pronouns, I, you, we, they, we don't have any S after the verb. But for she, he, it, we use S, means we add S after present simple. And in the result clause, we use will. And for the negative form, of course, we use will not or won't. So, when we use it, we use if clause sentences when something that is going to happen is possible for us. For example, I said that if the weather is good today, I will go outside with my friends. Today the weather is really good. Yes, today the weather is sunny, really good. So it's possible, yes, that I can go out with my friends. I will spend my time with my friends. So I'm talking about something possible. Or if I work hard, if I practice at home, I will pass my exam. I will pass my English exam. Yes, it's something possible. Just you need to stay at home, open your books and start doing your homework. Start again reading your book. Do some tests. So after that you will pass it. Yes, you are not going to have any problems. So just first conditional clauses, look at here. First conditional, just we are going to talk about something that is possible, not impossible things. So here I told you if plus present simple. In the result, if you do something, the result, what will happen after that? Yes, what's going to happen after that? All the time in the sentence when we talk about something, after that we need a result. Yes, something will happen. So here we use will, here we use will not or won't plus just base form of the verb. What does it mean? For example, will go, will run, will do, will speak, yes, or won't do, won't go. So this is result clause. It means what will happen. Look at here. After if clause, we have an apostrophe S, yes, we have comma here. We have comma, after that result clause. But somehow, sometimes we can write the result clause at the beginning, then if clause. But at that time, there is no comma between them. So, as you can see here, it is possible to put the result clause first. If you fall, you will hurt yourself. Look at here, if you fall, fall is present simple, you will hurt yourself. Yes, if you fall, for example, at the ground, you will hurt yourself. For example, your hand, your leg will hurt. Or you will hurt, look at your result clause here come at the beginning. Yes, if you fall. So here we don't have any comma. It's important for us. If you write the if clause at the beginning, you are going to have a comma here, then pronoun plus will. But if you are going to write the result clause first, after that if clause, there is no comma between them. This is the very small, very little point of this exercise, this grammar. So let's go to page 107, I think. Yes, page 107. For the students who don't have the Think A2 book, it's no problem. You can just watch the video, you can take notes, you can do the exercises from here. But if you have this book, please open page 107, unit 11 of this book. So now we are going to do some exercises to understand it better, to make sure you will understand. Look at the first one. See Jane, if, tell, I will, her. So what does I told you that in the if clause, after that we have result clause that will or won't is coming. Yes, look at here. If I see Jane, I will tell her. So at first I need to see Jane, then I will tell what happened. Yes, then I will explain. So I use it here. If I see Jane, I will tell her. But here if I write I will tell her, I will tell Jane, for example, if I see her, here we are not going to have any comma between them. So look at here, my parents, we have I am, will, if, late, be angry. What do you think? Let's check the answer. If I am late, my parents will be angry. Yes, it's something possible, it's something normal. Yes, if you go home late, if you are late, your parents will be angry. Yes, it's something normal, it's not impossible things. Yes, everybody understands. So look at here again, we have if here, we have I am, present simple. Yes, then my parents plus will plus base form of our verb. Yes, so again if, present simple here, my parents will, and be. Be is base form of the verb. Yes. Now I'm not going to wait so much for writing the answer. Again, you can go back. For example, you can pause, you can write the answer, then continue the video. So number 2. I bring it, I will to school tomorrow if remember. What do you think? If I remember to bring it, for example, if I remember, I will bring it to school. Yes, if I remember, I will bring it to school tomorrow. Again, here we have if clause plus present simple, and here plus I plus will and base form of the verb. So what we can write here? We can write, I will bring it to school if I remember. But if you want to write the result clause at the beginning, yes, you can write here. Yes, this can become at the beginning here if I remember, but there we don't have any comma between the sentences, just we will write normal. Number 3, you will Jake come if you meet to the party. So let's check the answer. If you come to the party, you will meet Jake. Yes, so here we have again if clause, first if clause, you plus present simple, come. Here we have will. Yes, you will meet Jake. And you know that put the words in the in order to make the sentences is one of the most common parts of English exercises. Yes, we have it in all our exercises, in our exams, quizzes. We have something this. So you have to pay attention. You have to do it carefully. So if you come to the party, you will meet Jake. It's something possible. Yes, if you come with me, if you come to my house, you will meet somebody else. Yes, it's my party, for example, my birthday party, everybody is there, so it's really possible to meet another one. And number 4, we will go to the beach. Look at here, we don't have here any comma. We will go to the beach if it doesn't rain tomorrow. So here what happened? Here we have result clause. Yes, will come here, will. Result clause, here we have if clause. So look at here, between these two sentences, here we don't have any comma. So we will go to the beach if it doesn't rain tomorrow. Or how we can write, if it doesn't rain tomorrow, comma, we will go to the beach. Yes, so both of them are possible. We can write it. And number 5, the concert, if tonight I won't feel better, go. Look at here, I won't go to the concert tonight if I don't feel better. Again, what happened in these sentences? Again, here result clause comes first, then we have if clause, yes? So pay attention, it's not important for us that the result clause, for example, come first or the if clause, but just this is important, you have to pay attention. If you are writing if clause before, so you need to have comma between the sentences. So I won't go, negative form, result clause will not, yes, negative form. If I don't, look at here again, present simple, here we have if I don't feel better. Don't worry if you have problem, if you don't understand. In the other videos, besides of the reading parts and listening parts, again, I will give you some tests. We will do it here together. You will understand it better. Or also in our workbook, we have lots of other exercises. We can do it together. You will understand all of them. Don't worry for it. So, let's do part 3. Complete the first conditional sentences with the correct form of the verb. So, now what we need? Just if we have if clause at the first, we need to write present simple of the verb form. Here in the second part means the result clause, we need to write will plus base form of the verb. That much easy. Look at here. Here we have if, yes. When we have it, it means that after that we need to write present simple form of the verb. So give, because Kate is a girl, third person. Yes, Kate is third person, she. So for she, he, it, you know that we add s after that. So we write gives here. But here if we have you, I, they, we for example, we are going to write just give here. Me some help. I will finish my homework in an hour. I will finish. Yes. Again, will plus just base form of the verb. Also here it's short form. Yes. Just L, double L we added. Or you can write I will finish. No problem. So again, look at here. In these sentences, what we understand, if clause is here, the result clause is at the beginning. Yes, what does it mean? It means that here we don't have any comma between the sentences. Can you look? Here we have comma because it starts with if, but here we don't have any comma. Yes, because here between these two sentences we don't have, it started because from with result clause, not if clause, so here we don't have comma. So you won't meet, yes, if you don't go out, yes, or if you don't go out, comma, you won't meet anyone. So won't meet, you know that it's because it's negative form, you can write will not meet or won't meet. Look at here again, if clause is here, sentence started with result clause. We don't have any comma, so at the first part it's obvious that we have to write will or won't, means start the sentences with will and base form of the verb. Then here we should write present simple form of it. So I will come to your party if my mom, here, look at here, my mom is third person, yes, she. So if my mom says I can, yes, here we put S. But in number 3, our sentence started with if clause here. So what are we going to do? If Ken, look at here, if Ken is again third person, yes. If Ken doesn't want his ice cream, I will eat it. If Ken doesn't want, I will eat it. Yes, so here if, so present simple. Here we have will form of the verb. So you can write the answer here. Susan angry if she. Look at here, if comes here. So here we need present simple. Again we have she. Third form, we should add S after it. Yes, if she hears, Susan will be angry. Here because we need result parts, we need will plus base form of the verb. And if, look at here again, start with if. So here we need again present simple. Here we need result, will or won't. Yes, so if we buy, because after we are not going to put S, yes, for I, you, we, they, as I told you, there is no S, just for she, he, it. If we buy sweets, we won't have enough money. Why won't? Because our verb is negative here, yes, not have. So just we are going to write will not have or won't have enough money for the fill, yes. So until here, I think that is clear for you. And And just one part here we have, look at here. I want to explain the difference between when and if. When we use when we use if. Look at the sentences. First I'm going to read the sentence to understand what happened, then explain. When I see Martin, I will give him your message. Or if I see Martin, I will give him your message. What do you think? What is the difference between these two sentences here? If I want to say, I said that in the first sentences that start with when I see Martin, I will give him your message, it means that clear, close to 100%, I'm sure that, for example, today or tomorrow, I'm going to see Martin, yes? So I know that I see Martin. When I see him, I know that tomorrow, for example, I will see him, yes? I'm going to see him. So I'm sure about it. 100%. So because of that, I said, when I see Martin, I will give him your message. But in number 2, if I see Martin, I will give him your message. It means that, okay, it's possible. Yes, it's possible. Maybe tomorrow I will see Martin, but maybe sometimes something happens, I couldn't see him. So here I use if. It's not 100% sure. Yes, I'm not 100% sure that, okay, I have a plan, I want to see Martin tomorrow, but maybe something happened and I can't see him. So here we use if. But when we need certainly, yes, 95%, 100% I know that I'm going to visit him. So it is possible that I will meet Martin, so it's A here, yes, we are going to match here number 1 and 2 with A and B here. And I know that I will meet Martin, it means that I'm sure about it, certain about it. So here this is number B. So 1 is B, 2 is A. So now because we understand, we can complete part 2 also together, yes. I can talk to you now, I will phone you when I get home. Why here we use when? Because I know that I'm going home now, yes. Here I'm busy, I can't answer your phone, but when I get home, I will phone you. Or I will phone you when I get home. You can write it vice versa, there is no problem. What are you doing tomorrow? Look at here. If there is a good film on, I will probably go to cinema. We are not sure that there is a good film or not, yes. It's something possible, yes, maybe. If there is a good, I will go to cinema. If there is a good movie, good film, I will watch it. Yes, it's something possible, but it's not 100% sure. So because of that, we here use if clause. Let's make it bigger for you to understand it better. I'm not sure if I want to go to the party tonight. I'm not sure. Yes, it's not certain things. It's not 100% things. So because of that, but if I decide to go, I will phone you. Now I'm not sure what I'm going to do. Do I want to go to that party tonight or not? So, but if I make my decision, if I know, if I decide to go, 100% I will call and tell you. It's too hot to go for a walk now. Let's go out in the evening. It's too hot now, yes? When it's cooler. So now the weather is not that much good, yes, but when it's cooler we will go out evening, yes. So now weather is not that much good, but I know that it's going to be better, it's going to be cooler, for example. So at that time we will go outside together. Number 4, you can watch some TV when you finish your homework. So now you cannot watch TV. Why? Because you don't finish your homework, but when you finish it, I will let you. You can watch it, okay? And look at here, when you finished your homework, all the time we are not going to use just will. Yes, also can here we can use. So it's something certainly I am telling you. When you finish it, I will let you to watch TV. You can watch TV. It's the football final tonight. I will be very happy. I will be very happy. Why? We are not sure here, yes? Maybe my team is going to win. Maybe doesn't, yes, maybe doesn't win. So because of that, here I'm going to use if, yes, because 100% I'm not sure. I know that my team is good, 80% my team wins tonight, but because of that I'm not sure. I say that I will be very happy, possible things, yes, I will be very happy if my team wins. So, this grammar is also really easy. Yes, I know that everybody understands it, but again, if you have problem, don't worry. We are going to do more exercises in the workbook, and also I will give you more exercises in the other videos. We will do it together. So, what we learned today together, we learned about first conditionals. We did the examples, and also about when. We are going to use when and if in the sentences. So, I hope that it was useful for you. Everybody enjoyed it, and let's go to the other videos in the other weeks. Thanks for watching and listening this video. Hocam.